Taylor.
Yo, play better.
Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick walk around of the SXR 800. Even though you guys have kind of been following along with the build, I figured I'd still go over it. So, there's really not that much to talk about because it's literally bone stock. I haven't even put on grips for it because I need to buy some because I don't like the flanges, but it's pretty much unnecessary for me to put grips on it because they're basically brand new because it never got rode. But I'll open the hood. And it still has all the original stickers on here, which is kind of cool. And it has original turf, original padding. I need to get it replaced because when my cousin bought this, it was a scratch and dent. A raccoon had chewed this, a little bit of this, and this, either a raccoon or a mouse. So yeah, it's a stock 800 SXR motor, twin cylinder. I actually have some aftermarket air filters. I have the brackets for them, but I don't have the actual filters themselves, so I gotta order that. Not original to the ski, but completely stock. Alright, just put a little bit of gas in it because it was kind of low, and I'm gonna do a quick startup. Yeah, this was my walk around of the SXR. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'm not sure when my next video is going to come out, but hopefully the weather gets nice. Tomorrow's the longest day of the year. It's the summer solstice, so alright, peace out.